Renaming pictures by voice. Resume. Minnie. Save. Daffy. Save. Dwarfs. Save. Goofy. Save. Iron. Save. Goofy, Donald, Mickey. Save. Pluto. Save. Popeye. Save. Snow. Save. Pause. There's always a chance you could say the wrong name, you could mispronounce it, or someone could walk into the room and say something and it would be picked up by this program. So you would want to be able to clear those things efficiently. So I was just talking and it was picking up different words, and wow, hey, now I want to get rid of this. Clear. Pause. Stop. The program has the ability to revert the last 10 renames or moves that you've made. So let's see. You can use this button that has a back arrow, or if you're still in listening mode, undo, 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 stop. Realizing there will be times where you don't want to rename the picture, you don't want to send it to the trash, you don't want to move it to another folder, but you need to move along. Skip, 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 snow, save. Skip, skip, back, dwarfs, save. Pause. To the right, we have 9 pictures with our source material, and along the bottom we have 3 open folders. Resume. Minnie. 2000. Save. Pluto. 2010. Save. Popeye. 2020. Save. Snow. Bambi. 2000. Save. 2010. Daffy. Save. Dwarfs. 2020. Save. Goofy. 2010. Save. Iron. 2000. Save. Mickey, Donald, Goofy. 2020. Save. It may be a good idea to make a folder that you can discard unwanted photos into, and I'll show you how that works. Trash. Send it. Skip. Skip. Trash. Send it. Pluto. 2010. Save. Popeye. 2000. Save. Skip. Trash. Send it. Stop. Realizing this software does take up quite a bit of the screen, there are options. Show less, show more, show all. Renaming photos with similar subjects is made easier by pre-selecting keywords, including folder selection, to avoid repeatedly saying them. This group of pictures are of Minnie Mouse from 2010 on vacation at Disneyland during Christmas. This is how we'll set it up. We're going to double click the 2010 folder. You'll notice it turns green, which is a semi-permanent selection. We'll pick Minnie, of course. Disney. We're on vacation. Christmas. Each of these things will be added to the subsequent pictures in this folder unless I deselect them by double clicking again. We'll put that Christmas back on. So now we'll start, and you don't need to have these folders open. The one on the right is where I'm going to have them sent, and the one down here is my source folders. I just like watching them move so that you see what's going on in the background. It's a little better visual. But we're going to start. Save. Pause. This one I intentionally made dark, so it would be a photo I don't want to deal with. We're going to move along from here. We're not going to do anything with this photo. Resume. Skip. Goofy. Donald. Mickey. Save. Save. Mickey. Save. Save. Pause. I don't have a daisy in my list, so let's try something else. Resume. Review. Pause. When I can click on this review button, or I can just say review if I'm in listening mode. What that's going to do is when I say save, it's going to move it up to this next line and give me an opportunity to manually input. Resume. Save. Save. Stop. Turned off the recording so I can actually show you what's going on with this. It actually put all caps Daisy right here and moved it, added Minnie, Disney, Vacation, and Christmas automatically. So that was kind of cool. Using keywords with multiple values. First we'll show you standard keywords. Grumpy, sneezy, doc, happy, dopey, bashful, sleepy. Save. Undo. Dwarfs. Save. Stop. I get the same effect, but multiple inputs off of one keyword, which is very useful in some scenarios. This will be an example of how to deal with the same name when it's spelled differently. Here we have Sean 1 and Sean 2. Sean 1, Sean 2. Save. Pause. Notice as it progresses, it removed the number because when I say Sean 1, it just spells it with an AWN, and if I say Sean 2, it spells it SEAN. Stop. What to do with overlapping names? First, what do I mean by overlapping names? This is Lori, Lori, and Gloria. Lori's contained within Gloria, so if I say Gloria, it's going to try to put Lori in as well, which is not my intention. I'll show you how that happens. Gloria. Pause. Back over here, we can see that it attempted to put Lori in as well, and that's not acceptable. So what do we do to get rid of that? We do a quick configuration change, and we'll put a 1 after the Lori. Okay, now we do have that 1 after the Lori, and that should resolve the issue. Resume. Gloria. Lori 1. Review. Save. Pause. Now you notice we edited for the word, keyword Lori 1, but we're still inputting just Lori. That's the advantage of a custom vocabulary. This is the configuration page, the backbone of the program. Multiple configurations can be saved, edited, and shared. They can be used for different families, automotive models, eBay pictures, or anything else. All keywords should be unique. First, please note to the left of each line is a number 1 through 85. For structure and clarity, when saving the renamed file, this program takes your choices and arranges them numerically 1 through 85, regardless of the order you added them. This standardizes the file structure with no need for you to remember the order. It also allows for categorization. There are infinite ways to configure the list. Starting this configuration in the green box, lines 1 through 10 are last names. In the red boxes, 11 through 64 are first names. In the black box, 65 through 74 contain places. In the yellow box, 75 through 81 are activities, and 82 to 85 are events or holidays. The program will keep the file names consistent. Though there are currently only 85 lines, this can be expanded in the future. There are more benefits to using a custom list. First, while some names are common, they can be spelled differently, and others are very unique. Speech to text or voice recognition is unable to translate correctly, if at all. Second, this program uses the list exclusively as a custom vocabulary that can translate nicknames or aliases to represent a detailed and correctly spelled name or phrase. So here's the magic. Each line has multiple parts. The column highlighted in red under When I Say will contain a keyword you will speak to indicate your choice, and a second part highlighted in green under the Add This to File name. That will actually be inserted into the file's name. Check out lines 5, 16, 17. The keyword is different from what will be inserted to the file name. You could enter anything desired, but all characters must be letters, numbers, or an underscore. To speed up the configuration, there's a checkbox on top of the page highlighted in black. When checked, the program will automatically duplicate the keyword you entered in the red highlighted area into the box to the right within the same line. You can still edit the information copied or accept it and skip to the next keyword. Using line 11 as an example, Joanne has been entered as a keyword in the red column. Using tab to move the cursor, Joanne will be copied to the green column in line 11. If you choose not to edit, use tab again, and it goes to line 12, and so on. Within the green box are lines 1 through 10. This is where folders are chosen that will receive renamed pictures. The red box outlines the function of the configuration. Beneath When I Say, you will enter your keywords. Then use the Pick Folder button to choose or create a folder where the pictures will be sent if that keyword is chosen during operation of the program. The last field is what you choose to be at the beginning of the renamed file. During use of the program, only one choice is allowed from line 1 through 10 for each picture. Using line 5 as an example, Bart has been entered as a keyword in the first column. I created a folder called Bartholomew, and the word to be inserted is also Bartholomew. The keyword is Bart, but it will add Bartholomew to the file name and send it to the folder which has been correctly spelled. Lines 32 and 33 are an example of the same name spelled differently. Adding a different number after each keyword results in the correct spelling for each. Comparing lines 16 and 19, Lori, Lori, is contained within line 19, Gloria. Adding a 1 after the keyword Lori will prevent a conflict. Lines 17 and 18 contain nicknames, but the renamed file will have their legal names. If you have speakers attached to your computer, you can double-click on the keyword and it will pronounce it for you so you understand how to speak it correctly.
Joanne, Brandy, Larry, Jerry, Sandy, Sean 1, Sean 2.
In the green highlighted box, you can select your source folder, and in the red highlighted box, save and close.